Today, inshallah, we will go like a small math quiz or math test. I want the Scratch to ask a question. What is 4 plus 3? If I ask a question, go to event degree 3 when the spirit. If I click on the cat, he gonna ask a question. But from where I can bring the question from sensing blocks. Go to sensing, ask, but instead of ask what is your name, I want him to ask what is 4 plus 3. I want him to ask, so I just click to edit. What is 4 plus 3? Then add a question mark. You know how to add a question mark? Shift and question mark to add it. So when I click on the cat, he gonna ask a question. 4 plus 3? See? And he gave me a bracket, this rectangle bracket to write the answer. Yeah, grade 3. To stop it, click stop. Grade 3, what is 4 plus 3 equal what?
7.
So we know the answer. But if the answer was wrong, I should give him try again. If the answer is 7, I can say for him bravo. How can I bring this grade 3? I can bring it from if function. If like a variable function. Go event, control, go to if function, go to if and else, like in a condition. So drag this grade 4, go to control, if function, add an if function. If the answer is 7, I want to say to him bravo. If the answer is wrong, I want to say for him try again. So if the answer is correct, how this grade 3? How can I bring this? This is like operation grade 3. Okay, so go to operation. Okay, I wanted to drag and drop this. Drag and drop this. So you do if. You do the if grade 3. You go to control and drag if. This one grade 3. This blocks. You do it. Drag and drop it. Only رهيد. هاي grade 3. hurry up. هاي أكمل. grade 3 quickly. أكمل محمد. عمر رغد ريناد. I don't know all names. You are using the names. Yusuf. Hi, grade 3. Raise your hand. Only Rahid? Okay. So go to operators. Drag and drop this grade 3.
Teacher, how can I
Yes?
delete something? Teacher, how I can delete
How can I what?
Delete something.
Again, what is your question? Delete.
I
Yes, I
delete
just drag and
something.
drop it back. I can delete it like this. Drag and drop to the coding area. Drag and drop it back. Like I want to drag and drop this, I drag and drop it like this and it will disappear. You see? So I go back to control again and then I drag and drop it. But now I want to add variable and I want it to be attention with me grade 3. Go to operators because we work with math. These are operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Drag and drop this block grade 3. Okay.
I drop it.
Okay, you found it,
I drop it.
Good job.
I
You
make
make it?
it.
Mashallah, So if the question is correct, if the answer equals 7, the correct answer is 7 because 4 plus 3 equals 7, right? Write 7 here. Okay? Write 7 here and drag and drop it here. You see grade 3, I put it here in the if function. If the answer was 7, okay, go back to sensing, drag and drop the answer block. Answer is a variable. If the answer is 7. So go to sensing, drag and drop the answer. Go to operators, drag and drop the equal.
Yeah.
Okay? So do this.
Teacher,
I do this grade 3. Answer is a variable which could be changed.
I know.
Okay, answer is a variable. Maybe a student say 4 plus 3 equal 8. So this is mistake because 4 plus 3 equals 7. So I give a condition. Okay, this is answer.
7.
Okay,
Oh, I know
step by step. Now I want to give him feedback. Go to save blocks.
I think
Bravo.
it's very good fun.
Go to save blocks. If the answer is correct, by the way, follow me, page 61. Oh, sorry. We are in page 61, exercise 3. If the answer is correct, I can say for him, bravo. I can say for him, bravo. For 2 seconds. If the answer is not correct, I can ask him to try again. I can ask him, try again. Okay, so let me test it. Go to full screen mode, click on the spirit. What is 4 plus 3? Let's say I say equals 6. I write wrong answer, grade 3. Oh, he said try again. Okay, again. I want to write the correct answer, which is 7. Now he's for me, bravo. Wow, I did it.
Good morning.
Okay.
Teacher, how
Yes.
I teacher. How I can make this